This is our Labor Day weekend hunt. We just got to go out one day this weekend. We went back to that hole where I found this point earlier this week on Tuesday, aka the Renfo dagger. Anyways, this is the stuff we found all in that hole Tuesday. Me and Brandy went back out yesterday and we found all this. Same exact hole. It's probably 10 by 10. It's the first little point I found. Little Wales point Brandy found. It's got a round base on it. Found this killer little bird. Nice and serrated, paper thin. If it was only about an inch longer, it'd be a killer. I'm still happy with it though. Some kind of Friley variant. It's got them little ears barely kicked up. We have a lot of variants in this area. Lots of miscellaneous broke tools. The evidence is there. It's just not a real big freak. Here's a little bird preform. We sifted for about 2 hours. I plan on going back. I mean, the evidence is definitely there. All this come out of that hole too. It's all worked material. It's got a nice notch in there. Some kind of multi-use tool. Just about all of it was petrified wood. Here's our living room. Got a few frames up. I ran out of walls, so they're starting to pile up on me. Bowls are starting to fill up. There's another bowl I hadn't had a chance to go through. It's full of tools. More tools down there. There's our huge tool bin. It's full. Choppers and scrapers. Gorgets and beads. Alright, get back to y'all next time.